Oh, sorry. So, I got some bullying. They actually have footage, and I'm gonna send this to the Gorilla Tag group chat on Discord. I'm gonna show you the two clips.
Little thing. Okay, we're gonna repick. No, like that kid.
Toxic. It's fucking coach, man.
Toxic
over here.
Like, no. You're literally supporting you guys.
Yeah, because you're pussy. I mean, be toxic. Is it not what
Like, Nathan, hey,
toxic?
Okay, please. Like,
What?
I'm trying to be nice.
don't care.
Don't have to be nice.
I'll put it out.
Yeah, I'm not nicer. I have anger issues, so you don't want to see me. Yeah, guys, we got reported.
Reporting me? False reporting me?
Wait, are you reporting us?
Yes, I'm reporting y'all.
I'm reporting you.
I've been recording y'all the entire time.
Hey, you're recording us? Okay.
Yeah, I can send this to Gorilla Tag right now. That's all the info I need. Thank you for all this info I needed. Thank you so much. I will now be telling Lemon the streets about this.
No, you won't.
Y'all just got reported for being toxic. Good try, man.
Nice.
I'm sending this straight to Gorilla Tag. Yeah, if y'all could also join that code, everybody. I want you to report every single one of those people in that code.
Little thing.
Alright guys, so I just joined one of my friends' codes. No big deal. And I have some footage. I have my first footage of them being toxic to me. That's what I'm going to put on this video if it actually gets uploaded. And I'm about to go back into that code. And this ain't even drama seeking. I'm trying to get them banned here. I already reported them both for toxicity. There was like 3 guys in there. No, you know what? I ain't gonna be nice and give them actual genders. They're all guys. Can you please just leave my image right now? So I'm going to go straight to this code. Code is leaked. And we're going straight back into A1. I'm about to get the footage.
That's you. She's my.
Hey, I'm back. Hey.
Yeah. What's your avatar like? What's your... Tag the little Timmy first. Okay, please tag me. Okay, so my name is The Punisher.